It's Robert with RT Repairs. Today we're going to talk about our Volvo XC90. Not this Volvo XC90, not the one in the picture here you see. That's a nice one overseas somewhere. But this Volvo XC90, the one that we did the timing belt on, ignition coils, spark plugs. Picked her up for a very good deal. And you could pick one up too if you just check your local listings there on Craigslist and some of your other for sale sites. You'd be amazed how cheap you can pick these vehicles up for. The majority of them get totaled out, or people sell them for cheap because they're told that, it needs a timing belt, or, your car needs a major engine rebuild because of the timing belt, or, just simple things that go wrong with them, It causes people to get rid of beautiful vehicles like these that don't rust. They have a lot of aluminum body panels on them, and cars are very good cars. Very, very good cars. Check out under the hood here, Look at that motor. 175,000 miles. Look at that. Looks like brand new under there. We didn't do much with it. Yes, we did pressure wash it. We cleaned it up. Cleaned the radiator up, got all the bugs off the intercooler and everything else. Put new hose clamps on. And, just did a basic tune-up. Coils, plugs, and timing belt. Did the water pump also. But check out the interior of this thing. I mean, they're impeccable the way they're kept usually. Look at this car. 175,000 miles. Yeah, ignore the dirt on the carpet, but look at the interior. Leather interior is absolutely beautiful. Dash, no cracking. Heated steering wheel, heated seats. Fully loaded. Power windows, door locks, keyless entry. Check out the back seat here. I guess I gotta unlock it first so I can show you guys. So we'll go and unlock it, then I can show you guys. Okay, now check out the back seat here. Look at that. It's even got a child seat in the middle there if you got a small child, Comes standard with it. You can fold it down like we do for two larger kids. Check out the trunk area here. Of course, they got the tailgate that folds down, Volvos do, which makes it nice. There's nothing under that carpet, people. We just put that carpet back there because our kid plays hockey and we throw his bag in and out, and we don't want to destroy the carpet in the side of this vehicle here. But, look at that. What more can you ask for? I think we paid $2,000, a little over $2,000 for this vehicle. So I know everybody's asking, how much do we have out there in parts? Okay, so everything we ordered was mostly from SCP Euro, which we're not getting sponsorship from them or anything else, but these guys give great deals on parts, especially for the Volvos. But the timing belt kit, we had roughly $137 total in, and that included the timing belt, that included the water pump, that included the seals that we needed, pretty much everything we needed to do the job. This car uses 7 quarts of oil. We put the good stuff in there, full synthetic, 10W30, because it covers more of a wide range. In the winter, we will be switching to 5W30, but 10W30 for now. We've got roughly 40-50 bucks in oil, I believe. And then the filter was around $7. Then we went ahead and did the NGK spark plugs. We had to replace a coil boot. We did the serpentine belt, and we did a couple pulleys on that, idler pulleys. We did the intake hose for the turbo, going from the intercooler to first turbos. We had miscellaneous cleaning products along the way, but that's pretty much it for this vehicle that we spent on. I think we spent a total of roughly around $300 to $400 total. So to pick up a vehicle in this condition and only spend $300 or $400 to get it back to where it needs to be at, and to do it in your own garage, you can save a lot of money. And the good thing is there's so much information available on these vehicles. They're not hard to work on. Don't be afraid of them, people. They're very easy vehicles to work on. Now we're done with this vehicle. We're going to move on to our Jeep project. So, if you like these videos, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe. Tap that little button, the little bell down there on the bottom of the screen. When you tap that little bell down there in the middle of the screen, you're going to get yourself to where you'll get a notice every time we post a new video. And more importantly, subscribe, people. We want to get up there subscribers, just like a lot of these other channels, and we want to build our subscribership, and we want to do more for you people as far as to show you what we can what we can do inside of your own garage and how you can save money. We want to do a lot of project vehicles here, and we're not looking for vehicles that the normal average Joe can't afford, but just the average Joe can afford, less than $5,000, sometimes less than $1,000. So like we said, please reach out to us if you have any questions. You can find us on Facebook under RT Repairs 123. We are on Instagram also. Thanks everybody.